What is DNA? A presentation about all things DNA.
Where is DNA found? DNA is in every cell of every living thing. It is found within the chromosomes of the cell. Chromosomes work to build proteins and assist in duplication or division of the cells. The unique structure of DNA allows it to be the hereditary molecule and allows it to store instructions for directing cell activities.
DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Sugar. Macromolecule. Stores the genetic material. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a long molecule made up of monomers called nucleotides. Phosphate. Base. Deoxyribose sugar. The twisted ladder shape is called a double helix. Nitrogen bases. Adenine. Cytosine. Thymine. Guanine. Nucleotide. The backbone of DNA is formed by alternating sugar and phosphates held together by a strong bond group. Hydrogen bonds dot. The rungs of the ladder are formed by the 4 nitrogen bases and are held together by heat. What does DNA look like? The backbone of DNA is formed by alternating sugar and phosphates held together by a strong bond group. A. Adenine. D. Thymine. C. Cytosine. D. Guanine. The bases of DNA pair with each other in a predictable way. A always pairs with T. C always pairs with G. How does DNA work? The 4 letters of DNA make up codons. These chemicals are repeated in various orders over and over. These codons make up genes. These genes tell cells how to make a protein that controls everything in the cell. Let's practice. The 4 letters of DNA make up codons. These chemicals are repeated in various orders over and over. These codons make up genes. These genes tell cells how to make a protein that controls everything in the cell. One strand of DNA has the base sequence TACGATTGA. What is the complementary strand of DNA? Answer. TACGATTGA. ATGCAACT.